There's a lot of buzz about the cloud these days. Who has the best offering? Who has the best per terabyte cost, the lowest fees, and the fastest delivery? It can all get very confusing, especially when you see a bill. But the cloud can be a very powerful tool if you decide to use it to power charge your workflow. So to understand it better, well, let's look to our cell phones. And we all have them, and some of us more than one. And with all the services that can be delivered and billed through our phones, I think it's a perfect way to explain the cloud. So just for a minute, let's pull our heads out of the clouds, because Techsplanation starts right now. Now, to understand the cloud, you need to know one fundamental first. Cloud really means you're renting space in someone else's data center. Now, that could be some hard drive space, or a server to run software, or host a database. Now, this could mean significant savings in rack space, power, hardware costs, but like every cell phone plan, the cloud comes with a data plan. There's the data upload fee, the storage block fee, the per hour charge on the server rental, the data restore fee, the fee to get the data in 4 hours or less fee, and even a texting after hours fee. Sounds like cell phone plan, right? Now, cloud can get very expensive, which is why you need a plan. Now, should you put all your video up there? Well, decide when you're going to need to use that video again. Use the 30-60-90 rule. If you need it in the next 30 to 60 days, then the cost of moving it back and forth to the cloud and the time delay probably won't be worth it. Now, if you don't need it for more than 90 days or you're done with the project, then the cloud is a perfect place to build an archive of all your old content. Now, you can run databases and software in the cloud. The cloud has an infinite number of servers ready to run applications for you. But like your cell phone plan though, when you watch a movie on your phone, you use data, and it counts against your data plan. Well, the same rule applies to the cloud. When you access that database, you're getting a data charge and a server use charge, a per hour fee for using the server. So decide how much you're going to use that server, and if that's priced better than buying one of your own, well, there you go. Now, there are lots of pre-existing services already running in the cloud. Transcoding, file delivery, transcription, and all the AIs that are watching us all the time. Look, if Adobe's taught us anything, it's we now live in a world where we can rent our software and services rather than buying them. The cloud is the gateway to those services. Now, these tools can be incredibly powerful to use. If you need a place to collaborate with editors and clients, push it to the cloud. Have a big project and need all the files transcoded for delivery? Push it to the cloud. Need transcripts of all the dialogue in that project? Push it to the cloud. The cloud has more CPUs and GPUs to rent than your local Best Buy. So why not take advantage of them and rent to solve a spike in business instead of buying a piece of gear you won't need in 2 weeks? Look, you really won't be editing in the cloud for a long time. The internet is fast, but video files are getting bigger faster. And there are lots of ways to incorporate the cloud right now. So when you're planning your next project, think of the cloud as another tool in your bag, whether it's holding the data, moving the data, or just telling you what data is there. All right, now go check your cell phone bill, because I think they just came out with a new fee.